Okay, good day guys. Okay, so pag-usapan naman natin ngayon, what is buy box? Okay, so ano nga ba itong tinatawag na buy box sa Amazon? Okay, so si buy box, okay, ito yung rectangular box, okay, so white box on the right side of the product detail page where customer can add items for purchase to their cart. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung sample niya. Yan, so makikita natin siya sa gilid. Okay, makikita siya natin sa gilid ng product detail page. So you can see add to cart and buy now. This is very important kasi pag wala tayong buy box, okay? Wala tayong buy box, okay? This hihina yung benta natin or worst thing is hindi tayo mabibilhan. Okay? Kasi walang option to select for buy now. Okay? So alam niyo naman natin sa US or any e-commerce platform, napaka-impulsive ng ating mga buyers. Okay? Gusto nila, pag may nagustuhan sila talaga is they will select buy now and then check out. Okay? Dito lang naman sa Pilipinas yung alam naman natin puro lang tayo add to cart. Okay? Yan. So we will discuss ano ba yung eligibility ng ating buyback. So, paano tayo makakakuha? Paano tayo maging eligible para magkaroon ng buybacks? First is we need to have, syempre, kailangan is professional seller account. Yan. Professional seller account meaning to say eligible na tayo agad kay buybacks. Okay? Next is we need to be on FBA or fulfilled by Amazon. Yan. Okay? Yan, mag-grant tayo or maging mas eligible tayo kay buybacks kapag FBA ang ating piniling fulfillment. Okay? However, we can still be eligible for buybacks if we're doing FBM but we need to enroll dun sa tinatawag natin na Amazon Prime. Okay? Amazon Prime, ito is para siyang subscription where there will be an add-ons. Okay? Para siyang premium subscription kay Amazon pag naka-FBM ang ating mga sellers. Okay? Then, the next one should be the new items. Okay? Siyempre, dapat bago. Bago ang items natin. Hindi siya used. Okay? Yan, hindi siya second hand. Dapat is bago ang ating items. Then, last one is availability. Okay? We always have or we should always have stocks kay Amazon. Okay? Siyempre, bakit ka naman bibigyan ng buybacks ni Amazon kung wala kang stocks? Okay? So these are the 4 metrics that very important pagdating sa buybacks eligibility. Okay? Yan. Alright. But, okay, we do have here the buyback. This is what we call the buybacks cheat sheet. Yan. So you can study it, guys. Okay, so as you can see, nandito sa right side natin yung metric and then nandito yung left side, nandito yung metrics and nandito sa right side yung impact niya kay buybacks. Okay, as you can see, fulfillment method is very high. And the rest, high, medium, and low. Okay? Yan. Definition, best way to win the buybacks as well. Ayan, nandito. And then, yan, time period that impact the buybacks. Okay? Yan. Very important dito sa buybacks natin guys, or sa buybacks cheat sheet is, you can see the feedback score. Okay? Feedback score, ito yung customer review rating. Okay? So, total of all feedback the seller has received. As you can see, medium lang yung impact niya. Okay, pero yung impact niya is lifetime. Okay? Lifetime. So kaya dapat talaga is papangalagaan natin yung mga feedback or reviews ng ating mga products. Okay? Yan. All right? So, okay. That should be this is gonna be the end of our topic. So, make sure lang na you read, the definition of this buybacks cheat sheet para alam natin kung paano natin i-win yung buybacks ng ating mga client. Okay? Thank you so much and I will see you on the next topic.